In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp effectively, from logging in to managing and tagging your contacts. This all-in-one marketing platform can seem a bit daunting at first, but with the right guidance, it's incredibly powerful and user-friendly. Let's dive right in. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Mailchimp website. Once there, you will see a web page prompting you to log in. Simply click on the login link to get started. This will bring you to the login page, where you need to enter your username or email address. It's important to ensure you enter the correct details that you registered with, as this is your key to accessing the myriad of features Mailchimp has to offer. After entering your username or email, the next step is to type in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock isn't on, unless of course you need it to be. If you've forgotten your password, don't fret. Mailchimp has a handy password recovery process. Once your details are correctly filled in, go ahead and click on the Login button. Congratulations, you're now inside the Mailchimp platform. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the home page if you're not already there. The home page is essentially your operations dashboard, offering quick access to all the main features. From the home page, you want to click on Audience located in the navigation bar. This is where all your contact management tasks begin. The audience section is designed to help you organize and manage everyone you communicate with through Mailchimp, whether they are subscribers, customers, or prospects. Once you're in the audience section, click on All Contacts. This will take you to a comprehensive list of every individual who's ever interacted with your Mailchimp campaigns, signed up for your newsletters, or somehow ended up in your Mailchimp database. Now let's get to the heart of today's tutorial: tagging contacts. To start, select a contact or multiple contacts from your list. You can do this by clicking on the checkbox next to their name or email address. Once you've made your selections, look for the Tag Contacts button and click on it. This will open up the tagging interface. In the tagging interface, you can choose from existing tags or create new ones. Tags are incredibly handy for categorizing your contacts according to their interest behaviors or how they've interacted with your business. This step is crucial for effective targeted marketing campaigns. So take a moment to think about how you want to segment your contacts, maybe by location, product interest, or engagement level. Once you've decided on the tags you want to apply, simply click on them to select. If you're creating a new tag, type it in the box and press enter. You can select one or more tags as needed. After you've chosen your tags, the final step is to click on Apply. This action will assign the selected tags to your chosen contacts. And just like that, you've successfully tagged your contacts in Mailchimp. But why stop there? Now that you know how to tag, you can explore other features such as creating targeted campaigns, automating emails based on tag-triggered actions, and so much more. Remember, the power of Mailchimp isn't just in collecting emails, but in how you engage with those emails. Tags are just the beginning. So take what you've learned today and start exploring. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tags and targeted campaigns. The insights you gain from these activities can be invaluable in refining your marketing strategies and boosting your engagement. And that wraps up our guide on using Mailchimp. I hope you found these instructions simple to follow and helpful for managing your contacts more effectively. Remember, this is just a small part of what Mailchimp can do. There's a whole world of features waiting for you to discover. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep engaging with your audience. Your next successful campaign is just a few clicks away. Happy mailing!